Over the years, I find that it's easy to get lost in the scenery and history that surrounds an area, and the historic Train Tunnel Trail is no exception. Nearly the entire stretch of the trail has gorgeous vantage points as far as the eye can see, overlooking the landscape of the Mojave Desert and the picturesque overlooks of Lake Mead and the surrounding mountains. Once part of a 30-mile stretch of railroad track to transport supplies to and from the Hoover Dam during its construction, the remaining segment of trail, now devoid of railroad tracks, was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1984. In addition to the landscape, it's not uncommon to have the privilege of seeing packs of bighorn sheep grazing along the trails surrounding cliffs. And regardless of how many times you've seen them, seeing these beautiful animals amongst the desert landscape is never anything short of breathtaking. And if you're so inclined, you can hike beyond the tunnels and head straight to Hoover Dam, or simply turn around and head back the way you came. While the tracks are no longer in place, the trail and its remaining 5 tunnels serve as an easily accessible scenic path that still pays homage to its former glory.